Hello everyone, I am Aradhya.
Myself Shivank.
Myself Shnaya. Myself Aksham Sharma.
On the behalf of our team, we made a project named Safe Animal Reprint under Atmanirbhar Bharat sub-theme Future Ready Skills. The aim of our project is to study about the changed behavior of stray animals like dogs, cat, buffalo, etc. with the help of chemical repellent. This chemical repellent is made from natural things which are eco-friendly. This is not harmful for animals, and to know about the very effective low-cost material which we use in it. Now the background of problem is explained by Shivank.
Now, the illustration of the topic has been done. So now, we are going to invent a chemical repellent with help of organic substance so that inhaling that particular substance, they may not come on the road and this is not harmful for them. This product is generally emitting offensive odor or taste. In the context of road safety, applying these repellents to the roadside is a strategy to keep stray cattle or stray animals away from road and preventing road accidents. An inbuilt system in car which sprays a chemical repellent in every 15 minutes. According to the Time of India, report of road accident in 2024 are 10,000 dogs, 1,000 cats, 700 kittens, 700 kettles, and 23 birds are injured. Total number of injury is 11,915. Now, the methodology and the data analyzation will be explained by Shnaya.
To make this chemical repellent, we have taken our school area of the radius of 1 kilometer and 2 to 4 weeks for our research. Material needed to make this chemical repellent are chili extract, coffee seeds, neem, onion, and garlic, and a spray bottle. So we identified the problem. We saw many animals come on the road and cause accidents. So we wanted to stop this. So we thought an idea to make a chemical repellent which is non-toxic and organic. So first of all, we mix neem, coffee seeds, vinegar solution, chili extracts in this beaker, and firstly we use this in our school area under the vision of our mentor. In first week, we observed that only 8 to 6 animals are on road. In second week, we observed that 6 to 4 animals are on road. In third week, we observed that 4 to 2 animals are on road. And in fourth week, we observed that no animals are on road. So, for example, ये हमारे सामने एक कार है, तो हमने इसके कंट्रोलर पार्ट में इस जो रेपेलेंट हमने बनाया है उसको एक स्प्रे बॉटल में डाल के उसके कंट्रोलर पार्ट में डाल दिया है. तो ये जो गाड़ी है ये हर जगह में 4 to 5 डिस्टेंस जब हम ट्रेवल कर लेंगे उसके बाद ये स्प्रे जो है वो निकालेगी अपने कंट्रोलर पार्ट से निकालेगी, एंड उसके बाद जो है वो एनिमल जो है वो कम होना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे रोड पे, जो कि एक्सीडेंट्स को कम कर देगा. So now the result of the problem is explained by Aksham Sharma.
After designing a vehicle-mounted prototype sprayer using a natural repellent mixture, this system was tested in a controlled environment near stray animals at a safe distance. Results: animals can naturally move away from the direction of spray within 4 to 7 seconds. Animals were not harmed or stressed. No toxic residue or irritation noticed after the diffusion. Mixture remained effective for up to 30-40 minutes after the spray. The project successfully proved that a non-toxic India-made herbal repellent system can be mounted on vehicles to gently deter stray animals from roads, reduce accidents, eco-friendly and affordable. Thank you. Have a colorful day ahead.
Thank you.